Well, welcome to a sunny Spanish edition of Garage episode. I wasn't really planning on making this video, but here we are. Gill has a puncture. As you can see, if I get my head out of the way, she has a nail or a staple through her tyre. And to fix this, we're going to use the Gear Gremlin tyre repair kit. I swear by this thing, I've fixed so many tyres with it. Bought it off Amazon, it was about 20 quid. And it comprises of, you don't get the power pump, that's the power pump to the electric pump. Well, it's on a battery as well, but if we don't have a battery, I can use that. The tyre, they're just filler gauges. And you basically get two tools. You get this one to make the hole bigger. Sounds counterintuitive, but it makes the hole bigger. So we'll use this to get this out in a minute. And then we'll make the hole bigger. And then we use a bacon strips. Called bacon strips because they look a bit like bacon. And you thread one of those in through here and then push it inside the tyre, twist it round to break it off, and jobs are good. You do get some canisters that you can use to pump the tyre up, which they're great to limp you to a petrol station if you need to fill up, but they're not particularly great. They're not good. Well, I've found they don't fill a tyre up, but so we'll wait for Gill to come back so she can hold the camera and we'll get cracking and fix this puncture. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see, it's like a staple, so I'm hoping that only one has actually gone in or through, and I think it's that side, but we'll see. So we'll wait for Gill to get back and then we'll crack on and fix it. So we're going to use this little tool to effectively get this. Oh no, it's not a staple. It's a...
pliers.
It's going to need pliers, which I have. So bear with me. I have got pliers. We have another fix-it kit. So we've shown you the tyre fix-it kit. Now we have the big boy fix-it kit. Yeah. It's like Mary Poppins' bag, this. So we've got a compulsory fluorescent jacket for riding in Europe, a ratchet strap. Yeah. We have a fuel siphon, some paracord, a jump pack. And the bit I've actually been after is the mini motor handser toolkit, which does have a pair of pliers in it. So we can try and remember how these come out. But the good thing is this is only one hole. Wowzers. That's what was in there. And now, yes, I'm childish. So, now that we have a nice hole in the tyre, that is, we take this tool and we shove it in there because we actually need this to be bigger. So you can screw. You can hear the air's really coming up.
On the basis that we've got it, and I'll sat on the floor. Stick it away with it.
Right, so now that's done, now on the next bit. So we take some of this glue. That one looks dead. So we take some glue and one of our bacon strips. It is letting all the air out, but that's fine. As you can see, these are proper sticky. They've never let me down. I'm on my second refill pack of these. So you tear one out, seal these up so they don't stick to anything else. Then you mash it into here. So you pull that through. Kind of push it through. You want it about halfway in. That will do. And you pull that out. You try and get a bit of glue on here.
Is it open?
Yeah. I've just used loads of them, so I might need to. It'll work without the glue as well, but obviously you can put some glue in there. Yeah. Put some glue on there. This is the tricky part. You get your bacon strip. So you're facing the sky. So you get the bacon strip and you push it. And you can see the tyre's gone flat. So now you push it in hard enough so now you can see both of these. Then you twist this bit round and try and pull it back out. But you're looking to pull the tool out, not the... So at the end of this tool, it's like it's not joint, there's a slot in it. So you can pull that out. So now you've got two sticky bits sticking out and they give you a little razor blade. As you can see from the blade, it's well used. And then we cut this off. Like so. And then, obviously put the knife back. I like to, at this point, because this is obviously dead sticky, so at this point I like to just get some dirt and just rub it on. Any old dirt will do. And what it does is when you then ride away, it stops this sticking to the floor, because anything that's sticky is now not tacking. So, job done. Now what we need to do is, that can go in the bin. That's well and truly done with. Now we need to use the little pump. Again, this is just from Amazon. Probably 20-30 quid. Can't imagine it's any more than that. And then
Worth its weight in gold though.
oh god, yeah. So you can then set the, you can't see it in the sunlight, you set the pressure, look for the little doobie. This is going to take ages to pump up because I suspect it's not got any air in it. Yeah, it's not even registering. It's registering as 000. So we'll leave that. That's going to take probably 5 minutes or so. So once we're done. Once we punch it up, we'll check that there's no air coming out of it, but I'm pretty sure that's sorted it now. And that's it. That is fixing a tyre using the Gremlin gear kit. Ta-da! Right, we're going to wait for this to pump up and we'll see you in the next video.